Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत
श्री गौर भक्त वृंद।
श्री कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपी कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदानेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की जय।
जय
कृष्णा एवरीवन।
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Happy Navratri. So Navratri starting from today.
Yeah, happy
Happy
Navratri to
New
all.
Year.
Happy New Year.
Hare Krishna, Shiksha Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Mr. Soham.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. All right. Hello, Hare Krishna, Mayur.
Hare Krishna.
So, I think we are almost about to complete Adhyay 10 of Canto 2. So the Shlok 51, we'll just read it again. Ravi? Ravi? You on mute?
Okay. सूत उवाच राज्ञा परीक्षिता पृष्टो यदवोचन्नमाहुमुनि तद्वोभिधारस्ये शृणुत याज्ञप्रश्नानुसारतः रचव्रजन्त्यनिमिषामृत मृषभानुवृतय्या दूरे यमा ह्युपरि न स्पृहणीयशीलाः भर्तुर्मिर्थ सुयशस् तथानुराग वैकल्यव्यवाशव्यकलाया कृतांगा। Sut Goswami explained, I shall now explain to you the very subjects explained by the great sage in answer to the King Parikshit's inquiries. Please hear them attentively. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right? So, Sut Goswami ji kare, I will explain you the very subjects explained by the great sage. Whom are we referring to here by the great sage? So that is Sukdev Goswami ji, right? Because Sukdev Goswami ji is answering to King Parikshit Maharaj. And the same Srimad Bhagavatam is being recited now by Sut Goswami ji to all the Rishi Munis at Naimisaranya, headed by Sanak Muni. Yeah, and what is going on here? Because, we have been reading about this whole internal and external energy of the Lord Sri Krishna, and then how the world is created and annihilated, and all this a materialistic world and all that. And then all the Rishi Muni are saying now they want to hear about Vidur Maharaj and Vidur Maharaj's conversation with Maitreya Rishi, right? And so then Sut Goswami is saying he'll explain everything, and exactly as what Sukdev Goswami ji explained to King Parikshit. Yeah. So, and course, this is ending, so this is the last shlok, right? Ishwar Param Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadir Adir Govinda, Sarva Karan Karanam. This is in Brahma Samhita's first shlok, which means let's all obey the Supreme Lord whose hand is in everything without exception. And thus ends the Bhakti Vedanta purpose of the second canto, 10th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Bhagavatam is the answer to all questions, whether it's material world questions, or it's about spiritual questions, or it's about, in fact, Lord Sri Krishna himself, and then also about, how the devotion should take place, which is for all of us. And that's also ends the second canto. Okay, that's great. Bolo Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
Ki jai ho.
So nice, we have completed 2 books, 2 cantos, which is really great. And actually, like if we go and look at, there are 12 cantos, as we know, right? And within last 5 to 6 months, we have been able to read Canto 1 Creation and read Canto 2 Cosmic Manifestation, right? This is where we read about the whole cosmic manifestation, the external energy of the Lord. And I think we have learned so much knowledge gained within each and every chapter. And so many devotional stutis like Bhishma Stuti and Kunti Stuti and all that, if you remember back. Yeah. So now we'll start Canto 3, which is the status quo. Okay. And the first chapter 1, which is questions by Vidur. So now Sud Goswamiji is explaining everything about Vidur Maharaj. And we'll start with text 1. Anilji?
Yeah. Shri Shuka Uvacha Evametat Pura Prasto Maitreyo Bhagavan Kil Kshatra Manam Pravistena Tya Tva Sagra Mradhi Mata. Sukadeva Goswami said, after renouncing his prosperous home and entering the forest, King Vidura, the great devotee, asked this question of his grace, Maitreya Rishi. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So Maitreya Rishi is kind of guru now to King Vidur, right? And he's asking the question to Maitreya Rishi. Sumit? Oh, Sumit there? Oh, Tarun?
Yada ayam mantra krudo Bhagavan Khileshwarah Purvindagraham Hitva Pravish Shatma Satkratam. What else is there to say about the residential house of the Pandavas? Sri Krishna, the Lord of everything, acted as your minister. He used to enter that house as if it were his own, and he didn't take any care of Duryodhan's house. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So we ask, so Bhagwan Akhileshwara hai, right? So he's the Lord of everything. And, he loved Pandus, as we know, but he never entered into Duryodhan's house. Mayur?
Rajovacha Putra Shatru Bhagavata Maitreyanas Sadgama Kada va samvad etra varnay nama prabho. The king asked Sukadeva Goswami where and when did the meeting and discussion take place between Saint Vidur and his grace Maitreya Muni. Kindly oblige my lord and describe this to us. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So in the previous shlok, Mahatma Vidur is asking the question to Maitreya Muni, but now the King Parikshit Maharaj is asking Sukadeva Goswami ji about like where and when did this meeting happen between Vidur and Maitreya Muni, describe in detail, right? So next, Tarun.
न हि अल्पत्रोध्यस्य तस्य विदुरस्य मलात्मनः तस्मिन् वरीयसी प्रसन्नः साधुवदो प्रभ्रमितः. Saint Vidura was a great and pure devotee of the Lord, and therefore his questions to His Grace Rishi Maitreya must have been very purposeful, on the highest level and approved by learned circles. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So, as we know, right, Mahatma Vidur was a great and pure devotee of the Lord. All of us know, right? Vidur Shyamu Malatmana hai. And if you remember, the Vidur, Mahatma Vidur is the incarnation of whom? He is manifestation of whom? Right?
Yamraj, right?
Yamraj. Good. So we read that, yeah. So, and he is definitely, of course. So whatever Mahatma Vidur is asking Rishi Maitreya Muni, and Maitreya Muni also we'll talk about the time, right? So that conversation has to be very purposeful for everyone, and that conversation has to be at the highest level and approved by learned circle. So that's why Parikshit Maharaj is asking Sukdev Goswami to explain that. Let's yeah, which is Soham, can you read this, please?
As a student, Maharaj Parikshit was serious about learning the science of God, and Sukdev Goswami was a bona fide spiritual master in the transcendental science. Both of them knew that the topics discussed by Vidura and Rishi Maitreya were elevated, and thus Maharaj Parikshit was very interested in learning from the bona fide spiritual master.
Hare Krishna, right? So spiritual master in the transcendental science and the spiritual science. Rasiksha Prabhuji. Rasiksha.
श्रीसूत उवाच श्रीसूत उवाच स एव मृषभायोऽयं पृष्टो राज्ञा परीक्षिता प्रत्याहतं शुभो विपरीतात्मा श्रूयतामिति. Sri Sukdev was highly experienced and was pleased with the king. Thus, being questioned by the king, he said to him, "Please hear the topic attentively."
Hare Krishna. Vinaju.
Sri Shuk Uvacha Yada tu Raja Swasutan Sadhuna Pushnarna Dharmen Vinasta Driste Bhratur Yastavishtasya Sutan Vibandhun Praveshya Laksha Bhavane Dadaha. Sri Sukdev Goswami said, King Dhritarashtra became blind under the influence of impious desires to nourish his dishonest sons, and thus he set fire to the lacquer house to burn his fatherless nephews, the Pandavas.
Hare Krishna, right? So Sukdev Goswami is going back and he's starting from what happened, right? And we all know about the Lakshagraha episode. Yeah. Anil?
यदा सभायां कुरुदेव देव्याः केशाभिमर्शं सुत्कर्म गर्यं न वारयामास नृपः स्नुषायाः स्वास्त्रैर्हरणत्या कुचकुंकुमानि. The king did not forbid his son Dusasan's abominable action of driving the hair of Draupadi, the wife of the godly king Yudhishthira, even though her tears washed the red dust on her breast. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Sukdev Goswami is telling about all the previous stuff, right? How Lakshagra and Draupadi chi hai, and Dute Dhvadarmena Jitasya Sadhu hai, Satyavalambaśya Vanam Gatasya, Nayachito Yadatasya Samyena Dayam, Tamojushano Yadjat Shatru hai. So, huh?
Yes.
Yudhishthira, who was born without any enemy, was unfairly defeated in gambling. But because he had taken the vow of truthfulness, he went off to the forest. When he came back in due course and begged the return of his rightful share of the kingdom, he was refused by Dhritarashtra, who was overwhelmed by illusion. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So we all know that. Ravi? Ravi?
यदा च पार्थ प्रहित सभायां सद्दुर्यानि जगाद कृष्णः नतानि पुंसामृत्यानि राजोरुमैने शत पुण्यलेशे लेश. Lord Krishna was sent by Arjuna into the assembly as a spiritual master of the whole world, and together his words were heard by some like Bhishma as pure nectar. It was not so for the others, who were completely bereft of the last pattering of the past furious work. The king Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana did not take the words of Lord Krishna very seriously. Hare Krishna.
Right. So I think we all know this, right? Jab last attempt by Lord Shri Krishna to avoid the Mahabharat war. So Shri Krishna jate hain, but Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana doesn't agree to whatever Lord Krishna proposes, right? And he goes as Jagad Druyani Jagada Krishna hai, right? As a spiritual master of the whole world. Tarun?
यदोपहुतो भवनं प्रविष्टो मंत्राय पृष्ठ किल पूर्वर्जेन अधातः तन्मन्त्रदृशा वरीयान यन्मन्त्रियो वेदुरिङ्कं वदन्ति. When Vidura was invited by his elder brother Dhritarashtra for consultation, he entered the house and gave instructions which were exactly to the point. His advice is well known, and instructions by Vidura are approved by expert ministers of state. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So we all know. So when Lord Krishna came, they didn't hear. Then Mahatma Vidur goes to Dhritarashtra Maharaj for the further consultations, right? And then let's see what happens next. So, Mayu?
Ajata sarho pratiyacha dhyanam titikshato durvishaham tvagah sahanujo yatra vrikodarahi swasam rusayata tvam alam bibheshi. You must now return the legitimate share to Yudhishthir, who has no enemies and who has been forbearing through untold sufferings due to your offenses. He is waiting with his younger brothers, among whom is the revengeful Bhima. breathing heavily like a snake. Surely you are afraid of him. Hare Krishna.
Right. So Mahatma Vidur is saying, you must return the legitimate share to Yudhishthira. Whom he is talking to?
Duryodhan.
Dhritarashtra, right?
Dhritarashtra Maharaj, right? So he is telling to Dhritarashtra Maharaj that, hey, you must return the share, right? So let's see what is the reply. Sumit?
Parthastu devo bhagwan mukundo gruhitvan sakshi devah asto swapuryo yadu devo vinarjita sheshna devah. Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead, has accepted the sons of Parth as his kinsmen, and all the kings of the world are with Lord Shri Krishna. He is present in his home with all his family members, the kings and the princes of the Yadu dynasty, who have conquered an unlimited number of rulers. And Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So what Mahatma Vidur is telling to Dhritarashtra Maharaj is, Lord Krishna has accepted the sons of Pritha. Pritha, who is Pritha?
Pandu.
Yeah. So
Parth.
sorry, who is Pritha?
Kunti.
Kunti Maharani, right? Kunti Maharani is referred as
Kunti?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Kunti Maharani is Pritha, and
Pritha,
all the sons of Pritha are Pandus, right? And sometimes you get confused between Pritha and Parth. So Pritha
Right.
is Kunti Maharani, Parth is Arjuna, of course, right?
Arjun.
Yeah, okay. Are you able to hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear?
Yeah, there's no problem.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm not able to
Mm.
hear back. So
Yep.
Yeah, you're fine.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Cool. So so what Vidur Maharaj Mahatma is telling to Dhritarashtra Maharaj is, Lord Krishna is there and he is their Lord, right? So you better give them their place, right? So Rinaji? Rinaji?
I can't see.
Or you cannot? Mm,
Yeah. Sa is Pushati Raste. You
I
asked me
can
here,
hear.
right?
yes.
Yes, this is going good.
Okay. Okay. Sa esh dosha Purusha Dvidaste Grihan Pravischo Yamapatya Matya Pushnasi Krishna Dvimukho Gatashri Seja Shaivam Kulukoshalaya. You are maintaining offense personified Duryodhan as your infallible son, but he is envious of your outcome. And because you are thus maintaining, relieve yourself of this ill fortune as soon as possible and do good to the whole family. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I think we have some internet issues. But basically what Vidur Mahatma is telling Dhritarashtra Maharaj is, you are maintaining whom? Duryodhan, right? Who is Duryodhan? He is an infallible son and he is envious of Lord Sri Krishna, which means he is a non-devotee of Krishna. And when that happens, when you are maintaining anyone who is non-devotee, what is happening? You are devoid of all the auspicious qualities. So what Vidur Mahatma is telling Dhritarashtra is, you relieve yourself of this ill fortune as soon as possible and do good to the whole family. Right. So this is what Vidur Mahatma is advising to Dhritarashtra Maharaj. And then we will see what happens. And then he goes to the one, and then we will see the conversation between Vidur Mahatma and the Maitreya Muni. So this is just the background. I think we are going to pause here. Okay. And it's Navratri. So we are going to see Vaishnav Devi's darshan. I think it was live yesterday, and we'll hear some Devi time. Yeah, and then we'll see you tomorrow. So let me just share the screen.
नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि दुर्गे अरण्ये रणे दारुणे शत्रुमध्ये जने संकटे राजगे.
Looks like the internet is running very slow today. All right, I think I'll probably download it tomorrow and then should be good. Anyway, I think not playing today, but hopefully it's going to work tomorrow.
Mm.